In this video, we will show you how to screencast Android screen to PC or computers using AirDroid application. AirDroid is very easy to use, and in the Android smartphone, there is no ads. This is why we like this application. Okay, before you screencast your Android screen, you need to download for Windows first and install it into your computer where AirDroid you use. Okay, in here you need to open airdroid.com/cast. Then you can click download now. After you click download now, you can click save, and after the download is complete, you need to click and install this application. After you install the application, you can see you will have the shortcut. Okay, or if you find AirDroid cast, okay, on your programs, it will showing. You can just click open for your AirDroid cast. Okay, to connect your screen from your Android smartphone, it's very easy. You need to install first AirDroid cast. Okay, let me show you. And this is the AirDroid cast application on the Google Play Store. Don't make any mistake to install another, because AirDroid have many application and AirDroid cast is one of them. Okay, this is, you can see the screenshot. And after you install on your Android, you can open AirDroid cast. Then you can click start casting using wireless. Okay, in my case, I cannot using USB because it must be premium. If you want to try, you can using trial version in 3 days. After that, you can cancel it if you don't want to pay. Okay, after that, we can just click start casting on our Android. Okay, now I'm trying to connect my Android smartphone using entire screen here, and voila, now we connected into AirDroid, and our Android screen is successfully show into this our computers. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to screencast Android screen using AirDroid application. Okay, I think it's one of the many application that useful to screencast Android to computers. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.